How to use Uber app, a beginner's guide. If you're new to Uber or just want a refresher on how to use the app, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get started with the Uber app, books rides, and use some of the latest features Uber has to offer. So let's get started. First things first, let's download the Uber app, open App Store and simply search for Uber. Find the Uber app. Once you find the app, simply tap on install or get. Once the app is downloaded, open it and you'll be prompted to either log in or create a new account if you're a new user. Super easy, right? Here you can log in with your phone number, or you can continue with Apple, Facebook, Google, or email. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google. Once you have done that, simply you'll be likely to enter a verification code. Simply do that. Once you do that, you'll be logged into your account. Here you can see rides, aids. To get a ride, simply tap on rides. And here on services tab, you can get various options like trip, car hire, two wheels, and many more. On account tab, here you can simply find your Uber account's details. Now let's talk about booking a ride. This is where it gets exciting. Simply choose whichever you prefer. Simply now enter your pickup location. Simply enter your pickup location and your destination. Once you do that, simply choose your ride, tap confirm, and you'll see the price estimate, and you can also add any promotion or special request like adding a stop along the way. Finally, tap your chosen option and Uber will start looking for nearby drivers. And that's it. That's how you can simply use your Uber ride for bookings.